There's a moment in every person's life when everything feels too heavy. The weight of yesterday's mistakes, the pressure of today's struggles, the fear of tomorrow's unknowns. You wake up tired, you go to bed worried, and somewhere between the chaos and the silence, you wonder if God still sees you. Let me tell you something that will change everything. He does. He sees you right now, reading these words, carrying burdens you haven't told anyone about. He sees the smile you fake when your heart is breaking. He sees the strength you summon when you have nothing left to give. He sees every tear that falls in the darkness, every prayer whispered in desperation, every moment you wanted to give up but chose to take one more step. God doesn't love you because you're perfect. He loves you because you're His. And His love isn't based on your performance, your past, or your problems. It's based on His promise, and God cannot break His word. You've been through storms that should have destroyed you, but you're still here. That's not luck. That's divine protection. You faced losses that should have left you empty, but somehow you found the strength to keep going. That's not coincidence. That's God's grace carrying you when you couldn't carry yourself. Every closed door was God's protection. Every delayed answer was God's perfection. Every painful goodbye was making room for a beautiful hello. What the enemy meant for your destruction, God is turning into your testimony. Your mess is becoming your message. Your test is becoming your triumph. Stop looking at what you've lost and start seeing what you've survived. Stop counting your failures and start recognizing your comebacks. You didn't come this far to only come this far. The same God who brought you through yesterday is the same God who's preparing something beautiful for your tomorrow. Maybe you're in a season of waiting. Trust the process. God's timing isn't late, it's precise. He's not withholding from you, He's preparing you. He's not punishing you, He's positioning you. Every season of darkness is just making your light shine brighter. Maybe you're in a season of loss. Remember this, what God allows, He also redeems. Nothing is wasted in God's economy. Your pain has purpose. Your struggle has meaning. Your story isn't over. This is just the chapter before your breakthrough. Maybe you're in a season of doubt. That's okay. God is bigger than your questions. He's not intimidated by your honesty. Bring Him your broken faith, your wavering hope, your tired soul. He specializes in restoring what's been broken and reviving what's been dead. You are not forgotten. You are not abandoned. You are not too far gone. God's not done writing your story. The best chapters haven't been written yet. Your greatest victories are still ahead of you. Your strongest moments are being forged in this very struggle. Your deepest joy is being born from this pain. God is preparing you for something so big that it requires this level of testing. He's building your character for the blessing He's about to release. He's strengthening your faith for the miracle that's already on the way. He's expanding your capacity because what's coming won't fit in the old version of you. Every single thing you're going through right now is preparing you for what you've been praying for. God wastes nothing, not your pain, not your tears, not your waiting. It's all part of the masterpiece He's creating in you and through you. So lift your head, take a breath. Remember who holds your future. The God of the universe knows your name, loves you fiercely, and is working everything together for your good. If you believe God is still writing your story, type Amen.